everyone, today's the day of my cast preview for the Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railway ride. I'm so excited to see it, also so excited to go to Hollywood Studios. My time is at 12 to 12:30, so I'm gonna go do that, and then we're allowed to stay in the park. So I'm gonna go ride some rides and I kind of want to do the Frozen sing-along, and that's basically my plan for today, is go ride the ride and then experience Hollywood Studios since we're not allowed in there yet. I'm in the park. I'm so excited. I've still got half an hour until my start time, but like I'm in and I'm heading over there and it's very exciting. I just rode the ride, it was so good, and now it's off to exploring the rest of the parks. They have free photo passes for us, so that's pretty cool. And I just took them and yeah, it was really good. So since I'm by myself, I think I'm gonna single ride a rock and roller coaster and just like try and like optimize like my day by doing that instead of waiting in the full line.
Hey, wait a minute. What? We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No! Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah,
that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes? Yeah.
I built a snowman. Come on, let's go and play. I never saw.
That's not necessary. Okay.
I'm so sorry, it is really getting toasty on stage. But it is toasty, you know what I'm saying? Toasty.
So I rode rock and roller coaster and it was so good, and I like don't know what I was expecting, but it was like exceeded that. And I just did the Frozen sing-along because go Frozen, and I was so excited. That was a good time. I love Eric. Now I think I'm gonna do Muppets Vision because it's a short wait time compared to like absolutely everything else. And then I kind of want to go through Galaxy's Edge. So I'm walking into Galaxy's Edge for the first time and I just want to react. I'm not planning on doing any of the rides here because I don't feel like waiting for a Star Wars ride and I don't care much about it, but I can appreciate how nice this place looks. Like, it's ridiculous and I can see why Star Wars people would love it. It's so pretty here. I wanted to do Slinky Dog Dash, but I don't think it's worth 120 minutes to wait for it. Like, I'm just not in the mood to wait in a line outside. So I went into the Incredible corner. I'm just leaving now. But I went and met Edna because there was no way. And it was like, why not? Like, why not?
And now, we invite you to relax, pull up a chair, as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
So I've been on Tower of Terror and I just watched the Beauty and the Beast show. It was pretty good. I really enjoyed it. I'm using my portable charger because my phone's gonna die. I just bought food. I've also met up with someone, so we're both chilling, and I've got my drink, and then I've got a beeper thingy for my food. It's at ABC place. I'm hoping it's good. Sounds pretty decent, and then we're headed off to watch Fantasmic to get good seats, fingers crossed. The proper chips. The proper hot chips.
Dream of fantastic dreams.
at Hollywood Studios was a long time ago now, but I still really enjoyed the day. I wanted to post the video still, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.